weather check. It's at 58 here in Port Saint. Oh, actually 70 here in Port Saint Lucie. It's 37 in Bloomfield. We're gonna stay here in Port Saint Lucie. Lucas and I are gonna take a ride. There's this Treasure Coast Model Railroad here in Port Saint Lucie, and we're gonna go check that out. They actually have extended hours today, so we're gonna see if we can make it there. We're almost at our destination. We're like about 5 minutes away, so we should get there soon. Those model trains, there it is. This is where it's at. With my son Lucas. Lucas, say what's up.
What's up?
Let's go see what we got inside. How you doing?
How you doing?
Just sign in?
Yeah, sign in if you want. We send out email updates, let us know about special events that we do, stuff like that.
All right, hey, interesting stuff. And we can leave a donation here, right?
Yeah.
Actually really exciting. This is actually free. You can just leave a small donation out in the front, and it's open to the public. It's only on Saturdays. They have extended hours only because of the holiday now. Cool. Yeah, that's pretty cool. Look at the people over here hanging out on the deck. You hear the train? I want to go see the train. Huh? Look at that thing.
This started going down the main.
Yeah, somewhere. Yeah? I don't know. I hear something. It's amazing. Oh, here it is. What's this guy here, Tommy? That's cool. Like it?
It's cool.
Look at the detail though, right?
Everything has a name on it.
Davis Works.
There's a train in there sitting over there.
A fire truck over there with the lights on. Look at this. It's like the Casablanca Theater.